Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benelli here with a little sneak peek into what will be going on in Unit 3. Okay, so Monday, which will be November 30th, I'll be holding my office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that's a great time to message me through the CTU app or email me and ask me absolutely any questions that you might have. And on Tuesday, December 1st, we're meeting on the anniversary of Rosa Parks' arrest, which we went over in the civil rights movement last Tuesday, on Tuesday. Very exciting. I love it when we meet on historical dates. But anyway, so check your class time for that schedule. It'll be as normally scheduled. Okay, so your remaining Unit 2 due dates. Unit 2 is a big unit because of Unit 2 discussion board. You should have already gotten in your Unit 2 discussion board original post. If you have not done so, please get it in as quickly as possible. Okay, so Tuesday, which will be December 1st, you firstly will have your Unit 2 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And also on Tuesday, December 1st, you will have your Unit 2 discussion board responses due. And that is where you respond to two of your classmates. And remember, I love my students. You all are very supportive of one another. But just don't leave it at, great job, Craig. You really, really did a thorough job explaining the topic and answered all the questions. I look forward to reading more of your work. Well, that's incredibly supportive. You need to go beyond that. You need to tailor your post to your classmates' post, and you need to answer the questions as listed in the assignment directions. All right, so don't hesitate to ask me any questions as far as that goes. Okay, so your Unit 3 due dates are as follows, my wonderful students. Friday, December 4th, you're going to have your Unit 3 Determined Knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then December 8th, which will be Tuesday, December 8th, you will have your Unit 3 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, everyone, I hope you had an absolutely wonderful Thanksgiving, and I wish you a wonderful week ahead, and please contact me if you have absolutely any questions. Have a good one.